So he's opened the tap, the demand's on. Temperature is set at 50 Celsius. That's hot. You know, somebody's even advising him to take the shower off. Hi guys, welcome to Birmingham Boiler Fix. Now I've been asked to have a look at this Worcester Bosch. The central heating is working fine, but the hot water isn't. There's a bit of an unusual fault on this one. Keep watching to the end, you'll see how I diagnose it and resolve the issue on this boiler. Now if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Right, can you open the tap for me now? So he's opened the tap, the demand's on. Temperature's set at, oops, another one, down. Okay. Temperature is set at 50 Celsius. Okay. That's hot. It's not yet, but it will get hot. So we've got a mixer tap here and a mixer tap here. And there's no cold water coming. There's no hot water coming through. We've got the hot water open. Nothing. The domestic hot water pipe. It's hot. Temperature is 53 Celsius. But let's go to the tap. But that's very cold. Okay, it's very cold. So we've got the tap downstairs open. This one's getting hotter. Yeah, can you touch it here now? Test that pipe now.
Which one was it?
That one.
That one.
The next one, next to it.
Yeah, it's really hot now, isn't it?
Yeah. So your water's being wasted somewhere around here.
It ain't getting hot, is it? No.
No.
Yeah, because it comes automatic up here and back down. You should.
That's it. It's really hot now, isn't it?
Yeah, it is, isn't it? Yeah.
So you answered all your questions there.
So just cut that one and push it on the end of it.
That's it. That's what we're going to do. And that should solve the problem. Right guys, sorted this vaillant out. Actually, there's nothing wrong with this vaillant. I think there's a problem outside in the loft, right? They got a tank system here with the solar panels on it. And it's just going there and it's mixing. There's one of the mixers, right? It's just mixing cold water with it. Hence why they're getting, hot water in the taps. So what we're going to do is, right, we're going to disconnect the pipe there and just put a loop on it. Or, well, cap it off basically. Put some push fits on it. We'll see if that does the job. If it doesn't, right, then we got to dig deeper. But I think that we just got to cut that pipe off and just put two push fits and separate it from there. And that should hopefully do the job. Okay, hopefully guys, you've enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Till next time, Birmingham Boiler Fix. Right guys, I've been invited to an opening ceremony by one of my friends. He's opened up a hardware shop on Alton Boulevard Road in Tyneside, just opposite Little. So it's an hardware shop. They got some plumbing goods in there, some electric goods in there. They do CCTV cameras in there. They also do lawnmower repairs. Now it's just opposite Lidl. If your lawnmower is broken down, just go down there and they'll repair it for you. It's called APM on Alton Boulevard Road. Hey.
This one here we're going to promote it.